Welcome to Fixit Design. If you're looking for a stylish, long-lasting, and elegant flooring option, Terrazzo flooring is a perfect choice. In this video, you'll learn how to install Terrazzo flooring step by step, discover the latest 2025 trends, and understand the key advantages of choosing Terrazzo for your home or office. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our expert home design videos. Section 1. What is Terrazzo flooring? Let's begin with what Terrazzo actually is. Terrazzo is a composite material made from chips of marble, quartz, granite, or glass. These are mixed into a cement or epoxy base and then polished to a smooth finish. It was once a luxurious flooring used in ancient buildings, and now it's making a strong comeback in modern interiors of 2025. Why is Terrazzo trending again? Because it's highly durable, visually unique, eco-friendly, easy to maintain. Section 2. Tools and materials needed. Before starting your installation, make sure you have the following tools and materials. Terrazzo mix cement-based or epoxy-based. Divider strips, floor grinder, trowels and floats, primer or bonding agent, polishing pads and sealer, measuring tape and level, safety gear, gloves, mask, and goggles. These tools will help you create a smooth, strong, and professional Terrazzo floor. Section 3. Surface preparation. A good Terrazzo floor starts with perfect surface preparation. Clean the floor completely and remove dust, oil, and debris. Repair cracks or holes using filler or leveling compound. Apply a floor primer or bonding agent to improve adhesion. Place metal divider strips to separate colors or create patterns. Divider strips aren't just for design, they also help prevent cracks from forming in large areas. Section 4. Mixing Terrazzo. Now it's time to prepare your Terrazzo mix. Mix your base cement or epoxy with marble, glass, or quartz chips. Stir until the mix is consistent, not too dry or watery. Divide your mix into small workable batches to maintain quality and speed. If you're using epoxy Terrazzo, remember that it dries quicker, so work fast. Section 5. Laying the Terrazzo. Once your mix is ready, you can begin laying it. Pour the mix into the sections made by divider strips. Use a trowel to spread and level it evenly. Press the chips lightly into the surface so they stay exposed. Let it cure. Cement Terrazzo, 48 to 72 hours. Epoxy Terrazzo, 24 to 36 hours. After curing, the surface will be ready for grinding and finishing. Section 6. Grinding and polishing. This stage gives Terrazzo its signature glossy finish. Use a floor grinder to remove any excess material and smooth the surface. Start with coarse grinding, then move to finer pads gradually. Clean the surface with water and allow it to dry. Apply a Terrazzo sealer to protect the finish and enhance the color. The result is a mirror-like floor that looks both modern and timeless. Section 7. Maintenance tips. To keep your Terrazzo flooring looking its best, regular care is important. Always clean the surface using pH-neutral cleaners to avoid damaging the finish. Avoid dragging heavy furniture across the floor, as it can cause scratches or dull spots. For long-lasting shine and protection, it's recommended to reseal the floor every few years. Additionally, polishing the surface regularly with soft pads helps maintain its smooth and glossy appearance. Section 8. Advantages of Terrazzo flooring. Why do architects and homeowners love Terrazzo in 2025? Durability. It can last 40 or more years with minimal wear. Design freedom. Choose any color mix or chip size. Eco-friendly. Uses recycled materials and low VOCs. Water and stain resistant, especially epoxy Terrazzo. Low maintenance, just regular cleaning and polishing. It's a one-time investment that pays off for decades. Section 9. Cost and where to buy in Dubai. In Dubai, Terrazzo flooring prices range from AED 150 to 350 United Arab Emirates dirhams per square meter, depending on design complexity, thickness, and whether it's epoxy or cement-based. Looking for professional installation? Fixit Design offers custom Terrazzo flooring services in Dubai with free consultation, custom patterns, skilled team, competitive pricing. Conclusion: Terrazzo flooring is more than just a trend. It's a long-term solution for stylish, strong, and sustainable interiors. Now that you know how to install it and why it's a top flooring choice in 2025, you're ready to transform your space. If you have questions, leave a comment below. For expert advice, contact Fixit Design today. Like this video if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more interior design guides. Thanks for watching.